I'm Hannah and I joined SGN in the autumn as a safety, health and environment advisor on an apprenticeship. My day starts with my alarm going off at 6 a.m. I wake my son Roman and take him to breakfast club before driving to one of our sites. I'm shadowing our SHE managers and learning how to do inspections on emergency, replacement and construction sites. This involves talking to our teams about their tools and work site, their PPE and their working conditions, as well as their general well-being. I also inspect our welfare units, looking at site plans and making sure the appropriate permits are in place. After the inspection, I'll have a summary debrief with my manager before heading back to school to pick up Roman. I'll then spend some time on a call with my tutor talking about the theory side of the role and putting good practices into my work. I'll spend some time working on my coursework. One of the projects I'm really proud of is my research into female PPE and the differences compared to the men's designs. It feels really great to be working on something that will make a difference to my colleagues. SGN has been really welcoming and accommodating my needs as a working mum. There's a real atmosphere of women building each other up and men supporting them, and I'm really proud to be a part of it.